Okay guys, she's back. The star of the show is back. The star of the show is back. She's back. The star of the show is back. I'm back. She's back. Anyway, so I wasn't going to film today, but I don't know, I feel like filming. It's almost 4 p.m. I haven't really done much with my day except work out and shower. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get a coffee from this place called Snakes and Lattes. If you've never heard of it, it's basically just it's like a restaurant, bar, cafe with all the board games you could ever imagine or think about in the whole entire world. So that's what it is. But I really like their coffee, so I'm gonna go get it, even though it's super overpriced. A latte, their smallest size, iced with oat milk and vanilla, is almost like $10. It's like 8 something. So with tip, it's $10. So I'm gonna go get that really fast, and then I might go to Whole Foods and try to find something for dinner or not. I don't know, because I do have some stuff I could make here. I'm just like not in the mood to cook, and I never am really ever in the mood to cook. But yeah, what else? Also, I posted that Christmas video. I don't know how many of you guys really watched it, but I was trying to get it up before Christmas, but that just never happened. So I posted that. I just didn't want that footage to go to waste. I don't know, I'm weird. Like if I have footage, I want to use it. So that's why you guys saw me decorating for Christmas in springtime, way after Christmas. But yeah. What else? I've been up to just business things. So I've been trading and getting people set up with trading automation, which is really freaking dope if you're trying to build your wealth and all of that. Just check out my Instagram if you want to know more about that stuff, because I don't really like to share that on YouTube, even though maybe I should. I don't know, but well, maybe one day, maybe someday soon, because when I'm not YouTubing, that's what I'm doing. That's not really true. I do a lot of things. So yeah, that's been life lately, is just learning day trading, because I have trading automation software, but I was like, you know what? I want to know how to do this myself so that I can take profits on my own time and I don't have to rely on my trading software to always be doing it for me. Because when you do it yourself, you can probably make more than your trading software will make, because the trading software has like a lot of risk management stuff to where you're not gonna like lose your money. Whereas when you do it yourself, you get to manage your own risk and get into a trade that has the potential to make you more, but also the potential to lose more, if that makes sense. Sorry, that's so boring. I'm not gonna make my YouTube a trading YouTube. I'm gonna go get coffee and then I'm gonna come back, sit my ass down, and edit all the videos I have stockpiled up that I have yet to edit, because it's frustrating me. So I want to get that like done tonight. That would be really nice. And then guys, I started TikTok. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, I'll have it right here. Please follow me, because I feel like it's going to be a fun little creative outlet. I am posting a lot about trading on there. So if you're not interested in that, maybe don't follow, but I'm also going to be posting like fun other things. We'll just see what happens with that. Okay, I'm gonna go get coffee now and then come back and work my little butt off. Oh, I know why I wanted to start this video. I wanted to start this video because I wanted to make a dream board, or like a vision board. I have one, but it's pretty old and expired, and I want to like put more things there that'll make me work harder and like upload more, because my goal is 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Like I don't know if that's possible, but that's my goal. So I want to update my dream board, so I'm gonna do that in this vlog. It's gonna be fun, don't worry, it's not gonna be boring. Also guys, so I got incense, and if you're a woman or a man, this is like the best thing you can do for yourself. It smells so good. This one, the scent, I don't really know what it is, but it's called Love. It smells so good. I got it from that store Earthbound. It's so nice to have just like a relaxing night, or to burn it in the morning or before bed, or I don't know what I'm saying. I'm babbling. I'm gonna go. Y'all, I can't be the only person who every few months feels like they need, oh my god, my place is a disaster. Ignore that in the back. But who every few months feels like they need to refresh their space, to change things around and, you know, move things around. Even if maybe you have the best layout, which I feel like I definitely have the best layout for my apartment right now, but I just need something new. I need like fresh energy, a fresh space. And I feel like a lot of people who work from home or just spend most of their time at home can like relate to me on this, because it's like you just get unmotivated and tired of the same thing over and over and over again. At least people who feel like I do. And I know there's people out there who feel the same way. And I'm not the only psychopath that feels like they need to completely refresh and change their life every once in a while. I mean, that's probably also definitely why I move around so much. It's so dark. I move around so much because I just feel like I need new. Like my brain and like me as a person, as a human, needs new in order to feel like I'm advancing, in order to feel like I'm progressing in life. But like new stuff and like new experiences and new places really stimulates my mind. Really just like live my life to the fullest too, and like not feel stuck or stagnant in life. Yeah, I don't know. That's just how I like to live my life. I know some of you out there can relate. But yeah, I wanted to start filming because I'm going to take my space from this, how it is right now, which is honestly perfect. But I'm gonna move the couch over here, and I'm gonna move my TV stand and everything over here just to get a different flow in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. It's a new day. I don't know what happened that other day, but this dream board did not happen. So today I'm finally ready to make my dream board. I have my old one on my desktop background and I'm kind of going off of it, but like I'm definitely changing mostly everything about it. So I'll throw it up on the screen. Yeah, my old one's also on the wall over here. This dream board just isn't it anymore. I feel like the majority of the stuff on this dream board has to do with like traveling. That's basically it, like traveling and like creative kind of stuff. But that's not really the vibe anymore. I feel like the new vibe has to do with more like taking action, getting things done, and like manifesting big material things, because lately that's been what's been motivating me, is like seeing my dream car and wanting to work to make it happen to where I can buy that dream car one day. And then it's also going to focus on like the type of house I want, like my dream house, which has always been with a view of the ocean and like super modern and nice. So I'm going to have something like that on there, and then little like inspirational quotes to like get me to want to work and do things. And yeah, it's just like I've changed a lot since I created this first vision board. And like, even though a lot of it still is me, I need to see things that I want to work towards, if that makes sense. I think that makes sense. So I'm just going to walk you guys kind of through the process of me making it. It's not going to be anything crazy. So let's get into this dream board. I'm super excited to make it. I'm going to actually make it on Canva. So I'm going to start recording my screen. So I'm going to search for a desktop background. Since I'm making it my desktop background, you could search anything like iPhone background or something like that, depending on what template you need. But I'm just going to go through these and pick the one that I like. Ooh, this one's nice. And then I kind of want a couple to go off of, so I'm going to find a different one. Ooh, I like the one it's recommending me, so I'm going to go with that. Yeah, I think I'm going to go off with these two. I like this whole aesthetic here. So I'm gonna delete these buttons though. I don't want that there. I'm gonna delete the tape, the flowers, and then I don't need all of these words. I like the font, I think, but I don't need every single word. Actually, let's change the font to this one. Yeah. Okay, and then I don't like need this picture because I'm just gonna add my own photos. Okay, so this is kind of like my template now. So this is what I'm gonna be using to go off of and just add my own stuff to it. Probably move a bunch of things around. I honestly don't even need that. Okay, so first you're gonna go over to upload. Follow along if you guys want to do this yourself. As you can see, I've already uploaded a bunch of things. So what I did was I went to Pinterest and I just like typed in a few things I knew I wanted to add to my vision board. So I typed in like Audi interior because I think the Audi interior is sick and I want an Audi at some point. right now, like the Q7 kind of is what I'm after. So I went ahead and saved a bunch of these and created like a new board called Vision Board 2022 and added them all to there. I still need to do a lot more looking and find more pictures and stuff, but this is kind of the gist of it so far. Not all of these pictures I'm obviously going to add to my vision board, but I just have like some inspo for my vision board here. So if you don't know how to download a photo from Pinterest, all you do is click on it, click these three dots up here and go download image, and it'll show up in your downloads. And then from there, you're going to click uploads here on the left and then click upload media, go to your downloads and upload from there. So I've already done that, as you can see. So I'm just going to like play around, add to them. I have this check here because you guys will see, but I'm going to put my monthly goal, like how much I want to make per month on there, and write out a little check to me. And I'm going to section it off. You guys will also see this, but like section it off to where my love and kind of like what I would want out of a dream relationship is in like one section, and then the car and like the house and all like materialistic type stuff is going to be over in another section. Stuff like this, like quotes, will kind of be scattered around, but mainly to one section. I always just find it best if you're making a vision board or a dream board, section it off in little sections. So let's say for one section you want to be like travel related, the other one you want to be material related, like I don't know, style, cars, houses, clothes, whatever, stuff like that. And then one section could be like work related, so whatever you need to motivate you or to remind you of like a project you're working on or something like that. All different sections for different things. But yeah, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna stop recording from here, and I'm just gonna mess around and see what we can make. I've noticed that big goals and big dreams is what makes me motivated to like go after them. So for me, for example, like big dreams are a new car, this like crazy nice house that is probably a couple $1,000,000. Seeing big things like that and going after huge goals like that is what motivates me to keep working and to like stay motivated every day. Whereas if I was to put an apartment that's just like a little nicer than my apartment right now, or a car that's just like a little bit nicer, or like stuff like that, you know what I mean, then I won't be as motivated, unless if I'm looking at something that super sets my soul on fire and like makes me want to work to get there and to get it as fast as I can. Okay guys, I'm tired. It's already 10:30. I have something to do at 11. But I just wanted to show you guys how far I've come so far. So this is what I have so far, and I'm going off of like a Feng Shui vision board. So it's supposed to help, it kind of helps like put your desires into a theme, kind of like I was saying earlier, but Feng Shui, so it makes sense to your brain and energy and stuff. So I just looked up the goal of Feng Shui, and basically it's to harness energy forces and establish harmony between an individual and their environment, and to create balance with the natural world. And this is what I'm going off of. So you don't have to like put everything exactly in these exact like spaces. This just kind of gives you an idea of like where you should be placing things that relate to each of those categories. You also don't have to have every category. Like for example, I don't have children. I don't really want to focus on family, but like legacy I can have there. Yeah, so this is what I have so far. So now I'm just going to kind of like put the pictures where I think they should go based on the Feng Shui vision board. So I kind of started doing that a little bit. This is work related, so this needs to go down here. 222, that's like an angel number I've been seeing a lot, and to me, I know it doesn't actually mean this, but to me it means that I'm safe and protected and on the right path and doing the right thing, and I can have everything I want. Those are kind of like all the little meanings I've given to it, and like to not give up and stuff like that. So that's probably going to go in the knowledge spirituality section, so around there. And then I'm gonna put like the car stuff and the house stuff at the top, because that's where like your fame, reputation, wealth, abundance area. So maybe like more like this. I get everything I want. I have like random affirmations on here. So I'm gonna arrange that and do it all, put it all together, and then I'll come back and show you guys when it's actually finished.
to throw you off guard. You just focus on price action. Checking for gold. I see it falling. I'm like, okay, bet Euro US new day. MT4 is going to show you like already good profit.